Today we are going to make butterflies, but before we begin, we must wash our hands. Let's begin by turning on the water. Get our hands wet. Get 1 squirt of soap and scrub our hands for 20 seconds. We need to scrub the front of our hands, the back of our hands, in between our fingers, underneath our nails, and even our wrists. We need to do this for 20 seconds. You could count to 20. You could sing a song like ABCs or Happy Birthday. But once you are done scrubbing your hands for 20 seconds, you can rinse the soap off. Then get a towel to dry your hands and use it to turn off the water. Take your banana and peel it. Then cut it into 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Take 1 piece and set it aside and slice your apple. Take 1 piece of the apple and slice it smaller. Take your sliced banana and stick your sliced apples in top of the banana. This will be your antennas. For wings, we are going to use pretzels. Stick pretzels into the side of your sliced banana. And then for eyes, we are going to use mixed berries. And set those on top of your banana. There you have a butterfly.